As an architect working with Naviate Bimfire, the first thing you need to do is to load the parameters that the specialist has sent you, whether it is a fire engineer, acoustic engineer, or any other. If I scroll down, zoom in and select any object here in the view, you can see there is no grouping called fire protection because they are not loaded yet. To load these parameters, where there is 1 or 100, you should go to the tab Insert. Insert from File, Insert Views from File. Browse now to the schedule that the specialist has sent you beforehand. I have mine in my export folder, and it is called 00 requirement parameter in this case, and I will go with open. It will load the schedule. And if I now close the schedule that is loaded into the project, I have loaded all these different parameters for different categories. So if I now select a door and scroll down, you can see that I have several shared parameters now on doors, walls, and windows.